What is up, you guys? It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's coming to us from Willie of Fort Collins, Colorado. We are just having some more problems with leaking in several spots in our commercial building. We decided that after having this problem before, it would be best to just replace the defective shingles. We found out there was a lawsuit on the product. They were defective, pebbles falling off, and the shingles were contracting, meaning they were drying up. So this can happen, old shingles, right? And they are now discontinued. They can't be matched, or there is no uniform appearance, okay? An adjuster came and stated that there were only 2 shingles missing, and we had this problem once before and filed a claim. The second time we didn't file a claim and fix it on our own because we didn't want to make repeated claims. Now we're making a claim for the same problem, and the insurance company's acting like it's nothing. Ugh. So this one's a tough one, right? The insurance company might be right. And did they actually insure this property when you made a previous claim? You can fight maybe the inception date of the policy. Does the insurance company owe for it? Or is it past the deadline to reopen that claim? Maybe, maybe not. So there's a lot of other questions that need to be answered before I can really give a really good response based on what I'm hearing now. However, I will tell you this. Most insurance policies on residential and commercial homes and buildings, they are replacement cost. The vast majority of policies that ever come across my desk are replacement cost policies. Meaning, if that's discontinued and you can't find another shingle that fits that and looks the same, did you have a patchwork quilt roof before the storm? If you did, tough fight. However, replacement cost policies allow you to be made whole as good as or better than before the storm. If you have an actual cash value or ACV policy, different story. So there's a lot of questions I need to have answered. However, if they're trying to tell you, hey, there's only 2 shingles missing, deal with it, or let's try to squeeze some other shingles that look similar but not the same, no go. Come on, that's what you need to fight. So on your commercial building, your residential, industrial, multifamily, HOA, whatever it might be, if you have an insurance company telling you something that you don't like hearing in regards to what they're saying is in the policy, okay? I've dealt with so many claims where the insurance adjuster or the insurance company says, well, this is in the policy. Oh, really? Show me. Show me where. And that's what we do. This is what we do every day. So if you have an insurance claim that you need help with because the insurance company is not being fair, then I want you to contact us today. BellatorClaims.com.